a businessman, was a hard-working guy. You know, we have all missed this young man. We have all missed this young man. We've been robbed.
Can you imagine he came here at 1 a.m. at home here. He was brought in a Land Cruiser with a driver. Now when he reached here, he told the driver that you go to Muyenzi.
You all know where I was going.
He was going for
to prepare for the function of this morning.
The son of
DCJ, former DCJ.
Deputy Chief Justice Butera. He picked the car from here.
They were supposed to be there with my son. They were all groomsmen.
In fact, your son was waiting.
He was waiting.
Then he took the northern bypass route. He asked for money. He didn't have money in his pocket. So he got
actually, he knows better than me. There's some information I don't have.
To pay the road toll.
Has so this is the right person to ask better than me. It's been all round. So thank you. I'm going to tell people here to look after you. Okay. They're going to give you food. Okay. Because there's enough food for all of us to eat. For us, we have eaten. Abagala nnyo mu bannamawulire tumuteekamu ebyammwe bwedda ndaba social media yogera bino kati mwabali wano mumakinge sure nti clean up naye kitalo nnyo kitalo ddala ndoza babawadde ekyokulya. Have you eaten anything? Bagenda kubawa mmere sigamba se ate
when he tried to stop, he had already hit that barricade, and the car flew, and he had a seat belt on. The vehicle caught fire, and he died there on the spot. So we went and called the police, went and got the body, we went to Katwe police station, then we proceeded to the mortuary. The body is in the city mortuary, but Uganda Funeral Services are handling. But he got burnt beyond recognition. When you see Rajiv, you cannot believe.
Okay, thank
this
you.
Is robbery. Sudir has lost the only son he has. Madam is heartbroken, but everything is up to God.
Your name?
My name is Juma Seiko. I'm a family friend of Sudir. Sudir has been my friend since 1982 to date. You get me?
Your name?
The late Rajiv was driven home here at 1 a.m. When he reached here, instead of going to the house to sleep, he told his driver to go to Munyonyo. And then he picked his rally car, this one which goes 300 kilometers per hour. And when he checked his pockets, I think he did have this. He wanted money to pay the road toll money. He was given 10,000 by one of the staff here, one of the guards. And then he went. Now that road had not been blocked before. He knew that the road was open, only to realize that there was this road barricade. Madala.
Kitalo. Mbeerako nnyo?
Mbeera nga bwe tugiraba. Okay. Byazzeewo bimawulire ga nnaku nnyo. Ki kyoyinza okwogera ku mugenzi?
Mugenzi tesobola omwogerako abadde muntu mulungi nnyo eyanyamba ennyo kusoma kwange ate nga abantu abamu kyebatamanyi yanyambako nnyo ku bintu birala bingi weddeeko ekyo kyebalaba nga monitoringa muziki wange na buli kimu so abadde muntu mulungi nnyo nga nyambako abadde muntu mulungi nnyo gyendi ne famire yange akwatagana bulungi nnyo na buli omu ng'ate muntu omusanyu.
Biki by'omujjukirako era omusinkana ddi?
Nagenda omusinkana nga ndi mwana mukulu mu 2019 nakatandika oyimba netumummetinga ya Nampa Bursary Kampala Parent School era yakuuma kyeyayogera yagamba ngenda kukolera okuva P2 paka P7 era nakikola era nasoma bulungi nebaza Mukama okubanga yaliwo okulaba results zange era yali musanyufu nnyo ojjukirako bingi anyambako nga ye yali nga taata wange ku ssomero naye mba nina kyenkoze nga gwe bakubira yani taata bamukubira naye nga naye bamukubira yali anyambako nnyo nga nyambako okubeera omuntu omulungi ngaate atuinvitinga nnyo ku bintu byonna baba balina events so tubadde close nnyo.
Biki byogenda okumujjukirako byogamba nti bannange omugenzi kino ne kino at least abadde akikola bulungi oba nakikopa ku ye?
Muyigiddeko ebintu bingi, muyigiddeko okubeera muntu w'empisa kubanga wadde mugagga ate nga amanyikiddwa nnyo naye omusinkana ali very down to earth. Mbadde nga mulaba nga engeri gyavuga relays ze nga biri very entertaining so nange mbadde bifaanyiwe mu ebyo ate nga muyigiddeko ebintu birala bingi.
Okay, obubaka eri famire ye n'abantu abalala abawagizi be bakozesa n'abaagalwa abo
era mwena bakozi ba Dr. Rajiv Lupaleria Foundation yonna famire ye